Hello viewers, welcome to Tummy and Cheeks with me Bonita. So today is gonna be a delicious vegetarian masala bread toast, and this is a very famous recipe and it's predominantly available in the southern parts of India and sold in most of the bakeries in Karnataka. So they call this as a masala toast. I will be recreating my version today, and for that I've taken some milk bread. You can substitute for brown bread or multigrain bread, anything of your choice. I've grated some carrots, onions, mozzarella cheese, some unsalted butter, green chilies, half tomato, and salt as per your taste, and I've taken some chili powder. So let's get into the recipe. For that I've taken a saucepan. I'm adding in some oil. This is 1 tablespoon of oil. You can either use butter or oil. So add in the green chilies, let it splutter. Next goes in some onions. This is 1 small onion, roughly chopped. You can either prepare this for a breakfast or for a snack. So I'm adding in the salt so that the onion gets cooked faster. Let it turn a light brown in color. You can use capsicum, beans, or also you can add in beetroot if you like. I've just taken carrots today. I'm also adding in the tomatoes right now. It's a very easy recipe and it's mostly available with the kitchen ingredients at home. You can prepare this easily in 5 to 10 minutes. Add in the red chili powder, saute it for a couple of minutes, then goes in grated carrots. Carrots already contain a lot of moisture, so cook really well, maybe for 2 or 3 minutes. So this is my version of the bread masala toast. You can add or substitute anything as per your liking. So now that our masala is ready, let's start making the bread sandwiches. For that, I am spreading some butter onto my bread. Spread the butter evenly. So here the main ingredient is the mozzarella cheese. It gives a very good taste to the sandwich. You can also add sliced cheese if you have. So onto the pan, I'm adding in some butter. We'll start toasting the bread. So I'm placing the bread on the pan. Toast it until golden brown. Toast it well on both the sides. So once the bread is toasted, we can place in the masala and add in some cheese and place the other slice of bread onto it. It can be made as a quick snack in no time. It's a very easy recipe. Please give it a try and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Now that our bread is cooked well, just press it on both the sides. And now the toast is ready. So there goes a easy bread masala toast. I hope you liked the recipe. If you did, then please do like the video, share it with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel. Wishing everyone a very happy and a prosperous Diwali. Take care.